How do you say there, folks? There we go. We got the inside of the van all emptied, as you can see. We started cleaning out the back. That's just vacuuming the carpet back there, as you can see. But then over here you can see the dirt and the grime. That's from us working on the engine over there. So I just sprayed a little bit over here on this carpet, and I'm just going to scrub it a little bit. This is from when also back here, everybody going in, because there's this seat, this one seat here was sitting right here. I turned it off to the side because I was doing a few things, and well, I cleaned it up. Let's just say that I'm gonna clean it up, and I sprayed it there, and this is the before shot. And I'll turn it back on when I get it done cleaning here. I don't think you want to see me clean. Okay.
Alright folks, this is before, right here.
Are you sure you're recording?
Yep. This is the before. This is what it's going to turn out to be like afterwards, after we wipe this all down. Right now it's just getting scrubbed.
I wish this already would get off of me. I don't care what they show you. Look at it. They show you all this stuff. Oh, our product works. Look at this. Spray on, wipe off. Yeah. You know what you need with that spray on and wipe off?
I don't know.
It's called elbow grease.
Hmm.
And you might have to do it more than just once. There we go.
Can't believe that all came off.
Good old-fashioned elbow grease.
Okay folks, we're back. Got our steamer, filled it up. Hey, besides the door, you should try it on the carpet. Damn, no chemicals and it works. Sheesh. I've never seen a day where a steamer actually works like this. Man.
That's how much this steamer cost us.
Zip Zero.
Zip Zero.
Got it from my grandma after she died. We were cleaning out the house. They said, take what you want. Well, I took the steamer. Figure it would come in handy, and you know what? It is. Yeah, telling me. You're not even steaming up this van. As far as all that stuff came off.
Alright. Okay, folks, I'm going to call it quits. I'll come back tomorrow and see how it looks.
Till next time.
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah, I'm going to play around here a little bit more, but that's about it.
Hi, later.
Later.